All right, fourth grade. We are going to be doing, hopefully you've gotten to Tinker by now and should know how to get there. I'm going to click on Programming 102. I'm going to click on Lesson 8, Snowball Siege. Okay, we're going to start with our introduction. Hi there, Mr. Wizard. Can you help me travel back to my own time? Alakazam. It worked! My snow spell worked! That's great, but I was hoping you could help me. Yes, yes, travel in time, very easy stuff. I will help you under one condition. What's that? You must beat me in a snowball fight. Ouch! Okay, let's have a snowball fight. Before we beat the wizard in a snowball fight, we need to learn how to glide, stop the program, and send messages. Click on the buttons to learn about these new concepts. We're going to learn how to glide. In our game, we want the wizard to move around in a pattern. Instead of using many point and direction and move blocks, we can do it much more easily with the glide block. In order to use the glide block, we need to give it a length of time, as well as the X and Y coordinates of where you want the actor to go. When in this position, when the block is run, the actor will move smoothly or glide from its current position to the new position. Try clicking on these blocks to see them in action. So click on me to continue. So if I click on here, he's going to glide up, glide. See how he's like sliding around? It's almost like he's sliding around the screen. We're going to do stop. If you have many actions from different actors happening at the same time and you want all of them to stop, you can use this stop all block. For example, here the dragon is flying while the ant is dancing. The stop all, either in the ant's code or the dragon's code, will still stop both the ant and the dragon. Click on the stop all button to stop the animations. Similarly, you could stop the other scripts in an actor or just end the current script early. I'm going to do messaging. Sometimes you want to send a message to all of the actors in a program. For example, in a race car game, you want all the cars to go when the start flag is waved. The broadcast block can send a message to all of the actors at once. See the dragons flying? They are programmed to stop when they receive the message stop. The broadcast blocks are incredibly useful. However, without the when I receive block, they are useless. What's the point of sending a message if there's no one there to receive it? Use the when I receive block whenever you use broadcast blocks. For example, the dragons are programmed to stop when they receive the message stop. They all have when I have received blocks in their code. Click on the broadcast block to make the dragon stop flying. Stop. Only actors who have when I receive blocks for a particular message will respond to that message. For example, if I took out the when I receive block for dragon, it won't stop no matter how many times I broadcast stop or send messages to it. In this lesson, you'll code a snowball fight game. Click the wizard to throw a snowball at him, then make the game yourself. Okay, so what you're going to do is first, in this project, you will use motion blocks to launch the snowball into the air. Okay, all right, so we have the on start hide, windscreen click. So we're going to drag this out, go to front, like that. Then we're going to attach the go to block. Okay. All right. We're going to set the coordinates. Okay. Set the x coordinates to the x position of pile and the y position of pile, just like that. Then I hit play sound game beep, just like that. Okay. See our code. It shows us what our code should look like. Then attach the show block. Okay. Just like that. Glide. Okay. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Sorry. All right. So then we're going to play sound, beep, glide, okay, to mouse X. Remember we did mouse X and mouse Y yesterday. So then we're going to hide. So this is what our screen, so when screen clicked, go to front, go to X position of pile and Y position of pile. This is our pile, okay? So then I hit next. Now we're going to hit play. Watch this. We have no wizard. We can just throw snowballs. Okay. All right. So then I click I'm done. Now you're going to do a snowball fight 2. Now we're going to program a wizard moving around the screen and animate the wizard reacting when hit with the snowball. So if I hit next, okay. All right. So we're going to go on start forever. Okay. This is what you have. Okay. This code is already programmed for you right here. Now we're going to add this like this, okay? So we're going to place the wait block inside the forever loop, set the time parameter to pick random 1 to 3 seconds. See what I just did? I put it right like that, okay? And then I'm going to show, okay? So that's what it should be, okay? Then I hit next. Then he's going to attach the glide block to the show block and set the X coordinate at 0 and the Y coordinate at 164. Okay. Attach a wait block. Okay. Pick random 1 to 2 seconds. See? Okay. And then I'm going to set another glide. Okay. It says attach the glide block to the wait block. Set the coordinates at 0 and Y is 45. Okay. Hide. Okay. See, my code should look like their code. Then I hit next. Then when touching, okay, touching snowball, oops. Accidentally deleted my when touching. Curse. Let me go back and get it. Okay, when touching snowball, okay, occurs, broadcast hit, that's what we want. Okay, and then hide, stop, just like that. Okay, then I hit next. Okay, now our snowball, okay, when I receive hit, play sound, punch, okay, just like that. Now, so if I don't hit him, he's going to go back down, and then he's, okay, just like that. And click I'm done. All right. So in this project, you will launch snowballs, add more actors, and animate the actors. Okay. So you can change the background by adding more backgrounds to the scene. So I'm going to change my background. By changing my background, I click on the settings, add background, and let's do a snowball. Okay. Let's do winter. Okay. Change the actors by tapping on them and adding costumes. Okay. So I'm going to click on settings, add costume, and then I'm going to go down to winter. Do a shivering boy. Okay. And then you can just change his name in here. Okay. So anyway, you get it. So then, okay. So we're going to copy this code, okay, to the other actors. Okay. So to copy it, okay, you just copy, okay, and then actually you just drag it like this and drop it, okay. All right, and then you could potentially have them change costumes. So if I hit play, I don't see where my wizard went. All right, now you're going to make your own snowball siege, okay. You're going to add your own background by clicking on the stage, and then you're going to set up your snowball. We're going to select the snowball and add a costume, okay, to make it something else, okay. You can add a costume and make it a cupcake, I don't care, okay. And then, okay, make on start, we're going to make it hide, okay, and then we're going to add a snowball pile, okay. The snowball pile, if I click add actor from the media library and I go to winter, okay, okay, if I click on winter, okay, and I click on, let's see, where is snowball pile? There it is, snowball pile, right there. So I'm going to add that, just like I did, okay. All right, so move the snowball. When mouse down, go to snowball pile, show, glide, hide, like this, okay. So we program the snowball. Okay, then I hit next. Now we're adding a targeting actor. This is my target actor. Right now it's hiding. So on start forever, go to, okay, hide, and then wait, and then glide, and hide again. Okay, so this is what I have right here. Now, so you can add blocking error. Remember we set our layers? Okay, like for instance, I set my tree layer to 0. Okay, eliminate hit actors. Okay, when touching snowball, hide and stop, just like that. That's all you're doing. And you click I'm done. And then you take a quiz. And once you finish your quiz, you're going to be done.